What if I told you there's a simpler way to clean, organize, and make sense of your data? A way that's not only efficient but also enjoyable. Yes, data wrangling is the process of cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data so that it can be used for analysis and decision making. The first step in data wrangling is to understand your data and identify any issues with its quality or format. This might include missing values, incorrect data types, or inconsistencies in the data. There are many tools and techniques you can use to help with data wrangling, including programming languages like Python and R, as well as dedicated data wrangling software. These tools allow you to automate the cleaning and transformation of your data, making the process much faster and more efficient. Once you have identified the issues with your data, you can begin to clean it up. This might involve replacing or removing missing values, converting data types, and standardizing values so that they are consistent across your data set. Once your data is clean and consistent, you can move on to transforming it into a format that is suitable for analysis. This might involve creating new variables, aggregating and summarizing your data, or reshaping your data into a different structure. The final step in data wrangling is to store your transformed data in a format that's suitable for analysis. This might be a relational database, a flat file, or a data warehouse, depending on your specific needs. In conclusion, data wrangling is an essential skill for anyone working with data, as it ensures the data you start with is of high quality and suitable for analysis. With the right tools and techniques, anyone can master the art of data wrangling and transform raw data into valuable insights. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.